Okay, so 544, they're asking us to find the slope of the line if we connected all these points, right? So these are y values they're asking us to connect, right? So what they're really asking us to do is see how much it changes between each of the numbers. So I'm going to zoom in here. Oops, let me zoom in. Okay, and we can start. So for A, it's clearly changing, right? 5 to 8 is 3, 8 to 11 is 3, 11 to 14 is 3, so it's plus 3. So the slope would be 3 for A. For B, it goes up by 6, and then it goes up by 6 again, so the slope would be 6. For C, it goes down 5, and then down 5, right? So the slope equals -5. And then for D, it goes up 1.5 plus 1.5, and then it goes up 1.5 again. So the slope equals 1.5.